This is Anjali from Thorai Pakam branch. So, so my game name is Roll the Dice, and it is something which we cannot play online. It is a game which we can play in person. So when all kids are present in the class, only then we can play this game. So the topic is noun for that, and I have chosen this is particularly for the grade 1 and 2. So this is the dice on which I have pasted this yellow circles, and these are the tray where I have kept the cards. So how to play the game? So you must be thinking in naming word. Generally, when we teach only like naming words or noun is name of person, place, animal, thing. So what I felt that after that, when we moving to the exercise, so children are asking that, ma'am, you just told that person, place, animal, thing. You didn't tell me about that. What about the flowers, vegetables, like that? So they come up with this question, and so that's why I have 6 tray, if you all can see. So one is for person, place, animal, thing, and one I have kept for the vegetables, flower name. I hope everyone can see it. And other is for the action word. So after playing, a child can identify this is the naming word and this is something which is not the naming word. So now moving to the how to play this game. So first, what child is going to do? Child is going to throw this dice. Like he got the number 6 here. So child is going to count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So child is going to see the where is the 6th tray. So child is going to pick up one card from there. Now what is child is going to read the picture name. So what is the picture? Teacher is going to ask. So child is going to answer, this is mat. So now teacher will ask the question, okay, what is this? This is name of person, place, animal, thing. So definitely child is, it is object. So then again teacher will ask, is it naming word or noun, whatever we are using while the teaching. So child is definitely, I think, answer that. Yes, it is naming word. Suppose if child is throwing the dice and he got the number 3. So if you see, child is going to pick up the card here from the third number tray. So what is there? There is this card, playing card sleeping. So in grade 1, especially in grade 1, children cannot read fluently. So picture, if you can see, pictures are over here. So after seeing the picture, so child can say, this is a sleep, ma'am sleeping, baby is sleeping. So then again teacher is going to ask the question, is it name of a person? Is it name of a place, thing? Or it is name of some fruit, vegetable? So definitely I know child is going to answer this, no ma'am, it is not a name. Okay, it is something which we are doing or whatever. So like this, we are going to play this game. What is the objective of this game? Definitely the objective of this game is after completing anything, we as a being teacher and if parents also want the child should identify now. So definitely after playing this game, child is going to identify the name, our first motive. Then raise the level of the user engagement, means that when we come into class, when it comes to especially English grammar, what is happening for grade 1 and 2? Grammar is something this is new, especially for the grade 1. So when they come in grade 1, it is some new subject. So grabbing their attention is very difficult. What I have seen, they don't pay much attention if I'm just going to read the going to say the definition and reading the examples. They are not going to understand. So this way I can grab the attention and introduce the topic, then enhance the logical. So in this, while the playing, our teacher is not playing any active role, whatever the student is going. student is going to do, the student is throwing the dice, is counting, going to the tray, and then pick up the card and try to identify. So this is motive is to logical learning and then emotional. So this game we are going to play in the group. So children are going to interact with other children. Suppose children is saying, showing this card, so other children may be answering, no, no, this is this. So this is very interactive. So it will help in the development of social and emotional. Child can interact with other children and learn from the other children also. If child is not able, if child is shy to answer anything, so definitely after playing this game, child is going to learn. Thank you. Thank you.